So friends, after long time, Xiaomi has launched its new earbuds. Name is Redmi Buds 5. This earbuds is launch on globally January 15, and here you see, first of all you see this earbuds look, and talk about specifications. In this earbuds, company has provided very fantastic specifications. This earbuds provide in this earbuds battery backup is 38 hours, and for fast connectivity company has provided Bluetooth 5.0 in this smartwatch. And this earbuds are really very nice. And in this earbuds this earbuds also support active noise cancellation feature. And maximum features is not revealed at this time. Maximum features is revealed when this smartwatch is launched in globally. So what do you think this earbuds, please tell me. And this earbuds I think launch in globally approximately $16. So what do you think this earbuds, please tell me. And thank you for watching this video.